Alright, moment of truth. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna see whether she's gonna crank or if we're gonna be stuck with the same problem. So, alrighty. So, charger, and like I said, we did a little bit fixing her up. Right now, she is leaking oil. I told you guys before. So we already got it halfway taken apart. We're gonna go ahead and pull this part here off. This whole housing area right here. I'm not going to make this into a how-to video because there's plenty good ones out there that shows you how to do this here. But we're gonna go ahead and take this here off, and we're gonna go ahead and install the new one, and we're gonna do an oil change on this particular model as well. So let's get started. Got it off. Look at all that oil. My Lord. You see, this is it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this here. I don't really see any physical damage. Y'all let me know if y'all see something. I don't see. It was kind of easy to take off. Like, these bolts here didn't seem like they was on there all the way. But then again, you know, maybe something that I don't know. But we already got the new one, so we're gonna go ahead and we're going to clean this out. Look at all that oil. That's ridiculous. We're gonna clean all this out. And I found a leaf in here. I think there's two more right back there. Now we're gonna clean all this out. We're gonna make sure that these here are up to specs, nice and decent. And then we're gonna pour the oil. We're not gonna use this. This was cheap oil to just try to figure out what the hell was going on because we didn't know what was going on. We're gonna put in some real oil in this one this time. And this here is deep. Look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. Now we're gonna kind of be careful. I'm gonna make sure there ain't nothing, any parts in here. I don't think that there is. I don't know why I'm sticking my hand in here like this. It's just weird in itself, but there aren't any parts in here. So let's get to cleaning this up. Let's see, got it all up out of there. Okay. So I'm gonna do a little bit more, get this stuff out, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna install the new part. Okay, so this is the part right here that we've have taken off. I'm gonna sit it right here real quick. show y'all what it looks like. So this here was the whole housing unit that we have, and we got that whole thing replaced. We got the new one already on there. We're gonna do some more work to it so we can go ahead and get it all the way on there. Y'all remember this thing right here, right? So if we was to, let's see, move this over here, put this down here. If you look at it right here, it is, trying to get the camera to focus a little bit, it is cracked. As you can see right there, it is got some cracks right here, and it's going all the way up here, and it's cracked all the way up here. So it's cracked all the way up there, and then this here, you know, clearly it can open up like this here. It's not supposed to do this here, but it is. And this here is where we believe that the oil was leaking from. Looked at a couple of YouTube videos, they said the same. So this here is supposed to actually fit right here, and it goes in here just like that, and that's how it fits into there. And then it sits on the car like this here. So we went ahead and we replaced this whole thing here. We're gonna get some new oil and put some new oil in here. This here already has oil filter, I believe. We're gonna take it apart, make sure, double check it and everything. This here was the thing that was cracked, and we cannot find this thing. We tried at O'Reilly and everywhere else to see if we could find it. Couldn't find it. And then surprisingly, people didn't know what the hell this thing was, and we don't know what it was either until later on we found out what it is. It's an oil valve. So we have this here already on there along with this part here, and we're going to see how that goes. Moment of truth. Let's see if she's gonna crank and run smoothly, or we're gonna have the same problem. Here we go. Oh, that is so sweet. No leaks. Yep, no leaks. I know I got some spider webs. Lost it. We haven't even been gone that long. This car hasn't even been sitting up that long. Just about a day. So, she seems like she's pretty good. I'm going to roll this window here all the way down so I don't get locked out. Alright. We are good to go. What we ought to do is put some more oil underneath here, and for sure make sure. So that's what we're gonna do next. All right, let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. Nah, no fingers crossed. We already got it fixed. It's all good. We good. We are good. What are you working with? Good news? Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, so now we're taking it for a test drive. So far, I don't see any leaks coming out of it, so pretty much good. I'm going to keep on taking a run around the block a little bit. I think that we got it. We kind of got it fixed. I'm going to give it a little bit more gas this time and see what happens. 6. A whole lot of kick, but it does have some kick to it. Definitely has some kick to it. Alright, so it's officially the next day after our initial test drive of the 2013 Dodge Charger. Everything seems to be in great shape. It's running really well. We haven't had any problems out of it so far. So yeah, I think that we're pretty much golden on that. We're going to I'm going to turn around and I'm going to get it inspected. And then we're going to go ahead and make sure that there's pressure in all the tires, make sure everything else is good on the car. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to initially have this vehicle listed and possibly have it out of our hair. Like I said before, the buyer who's interested in it, he's not really interested in us making the car perfect, but that's just my thing. I just love making things perfect. I guess in this instance, I'm not going to over obsess over something that's not perfect. But anyway, if you guys like the video, please, give it a like. Give us a comment and possibly share this video with whomever that you may know. I do appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.